Hi, I'm Tim from EcoQue, and today we're going to spend a few minutes showing you how to assemble and disassemble your 15-inch portable grill. First of all, place your grill base table on a level, stable surface. It's okay to place your grill on any type of table because all the heat generated in the grill is reflected upwards. Next, place the folding vented base piece in the table and then the folding firebox. Today we're also going to use one of our reflective foil liners inside the firebox to keep it clean. After that, place your fire starter grate inside along with some fire starters. Above that, you'll place your fuel grate and arrange the fuel either standing upright for a hotter fire or you can lay it down for a slower, slightly cooler fire. Today we're organizing the charcoal upright for a very hot fire. This will generate a fire with temperatures between 700 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, we've been able to accomplish that with only 16 briquettes of charcoal. After the fire is lit, we'd place our cooking grate inside and the grill cover to vent and control the heat and cooking cycle. This model also comes with a thermometer in the lid. To fold up the grill, we just reverse the process and stack all the parts in the base table. After that, place the grill grate tool in the pouch on the side of the bag and slide all the parts into the bag.